Hello everyone. Welcome to Racer Robinson. I'm Bob Tesla here with my good friend Dale Carter from Welcome to Octavia. Today, 7 cars are doing an off-road race. Yeah, 2 left race. We had to race around Octavia. Here's the racer. Got 2 Doc Hudson students, 2 Cheek Hick students, a Vin Racer, and Mike McQueen and his best friend, Toe Mayer. Hello, everyone. Ready, kid? Yeah, I'm ready, Doc. I got my off-road gear. Ready. On your mark. Get set. Eat our dust, McQueen. Yeah. Good, Doc. Whatever. Go! And they're off. Come on, buddy. Let's go off-road, buddy. Whoa, the Vin had a big lead off the stock. The Cheek Hick student coming up. Here come McQueen coming up. I have no idea. Let's put McQueen in the mud. Oh, the Cheek Hick students and the Vins are a big lead. Oh, McQueen coming in. Yeah. Oh man, the Vins pushed McQueen in the mud. Okay, trying to get out. Again. Bye, McQueen. Eat our dust. McQueen, you alright? Okay. Stuck. Mud. Hey, buddy. You okay? Okay. Hey, kid. You alright? Yeah, I'm Doc. I just need him. Well, kid. Dude. Are you gonna give up? No, I'm not gonna give up. Go. Okay, here we go. Ugh. I'm out. Time to pain. Doc, good. You have a race to do. Okay, Doc. Alright, the races having their last lap, so they have to go through the car, that road before. Come on, McQueen. McQueen's still a bit muddy from that race. Never went to this place before, so can I make it back? Vin's made it. Oh, Cheek Hick coming. That's what I call off-roading. There's McQueen. Woohoo, Mater. The Vin and the Doc Hudson. Another one. Oh, I made it to the finish line. The Vins and the Cheek Hick right there. Oh. Whoa, McQueen come out. Nowhere. And Mater. And the winner is Lightning McQueen. Mater. Second place is Mater and who was the first? Doc Hudson student. Well done, kid. Here we go. Lightning McQueen winner. Second place is Toe Mater, and third place Doc Hudson student. Congratulations. A great chick will be mad. Yeah, you're gonna be mad. Well done. Yeah. That was a great off-road race. Yeah. See you next time. Racer Robinson. I'm Derek Carter. Bob Hudson. I am. Bye. I think I need a car wash after this. Okay, good. Let's give you a car wash. Okay. What is the car wash? No. No, Red. No, I'm gonna miss Dad. No. You missed it, Red. Ah.